It's here. The wait is over. Announcing the official program for the 2020 ISCG World Congress of Cosmetic Gynecology. From Saturday, March 14th through Sunday, March 15th, 2020 at the Renaissance, Fort Lauderdale Plantation Hotel, featuring the greatest collection of cosmetic gynecology world experts ever assembled in North America to deliver 2 days of intense, cutting-edge lectures with world premieres of new technologies, new techniques, and new strategies. Featuring keynote speaker, plastic surgeon, and social media mastermind, Michael, Dr. Miami Saltzhauer. Featuring the ISCG Awards for the best aesthetic results in female genital cosmetic surgery, where surgeons from all over the world are invited to compete and try to dethrone the world's best. Featuring a who's who of pioneers, key opinion leaders, virtuosos, movers, and shakers from the fields of gynecology, cosmetic gynecology, urology, plastic surgery, general surgery, dermatology, neuroscience, and more, in an unparalleled electric atmosphere for learning, for networking, for socializing and sparking revolutions. We welcome you to join us. We welcome you to speak with us. We welcome you to learn from us and take home an experience that you will cherish for the rest of your life. You will be enriched. You will be inspired. You will be educated, and you will be driven to achieve new heights, to revolutionize your practice, to revolutionize your life. Your spouse will thank you. Your children will thank you. And someday your children's children will thank you. So get prepared to be delivered to the Mecca of your professional salvation. And register now at iscgmedia.com. We're waiting for you.